Are you ready to ditch the diets that leave you feeling deprived? What if I told you that you can indulge in delicious meals and burn unwanted fat at the same time? Today, we're making a quick lentil salmon salad that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also supercharges your weight loss journey. Stick around because I'm going to share the secrets of how this meal can help you achieve your goals while being quick, easy, and budget-friendly. But how does healthy eating lead to fat burning? Let's break it down. Healthy eating is about fueling your body with the right nutrients. When you choose whole foods, like our star ingredients today, you're not just eating, you're giving your body what it needs to thrive and burn fat effectively. Eating nutrient-dense foods keeps your metabolism revved up. You may not realize it, but the foods you eat play a crucial role in your body's ability to burn calories. By incorporating high-fiber and high-protein foods, like lentils and salmon, you help your body burn fat efficiently. Instead of feeling deprived, you'll feel satisfied. When you're satisfied, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks, helping you maintain a calorie deficit for weight loss. What makes this salad a fat-burning powerhouse? Let's dig into the ingredients. Brown lentils. These little gems pack a punch. A 3/4 cup serving gives you 18 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber, both of which are crucial for fat loss. Why? Fiber keeps you full longer, so you're less likely to snack mindlessly. Protein helps build and maintain muscle mass, which burns more calories at rest. Canned salmon. Don't underestimate this budget-friendly option. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which not only support heart health, but can also enhance your metabolism. Studies have shown that omega-3s may help reduce fat accumulation in the body. Plus, it's a fantastic source of high-quality protein that promotes satiety and supports muscle repair. Colourful veggies, carrots and celery add crunch and volume without the calories. They're low in calories but high in nutrients, so you can enjoy a generous portion. The more volume you eat from veggies, the less likely you are to overindulge in high-calorie foods. Nutritional benefits that promote fat burning. What are the hidden benefits of these ingredients for burning fat? Let's uncover the secrets. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Not only does it keep you feeling full, but it also stabilizes your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you avoid those pesky cravings that lead to overeating. This means less binging on unhealthy snacks. Yes, you heard right. Healthy fats can actually help you lose weight. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are known to enhance fat oxidation, meaning your body is more efficient at burning fat for energy. This is key for anyone looking to shed unwanted pounds. By filling your plate with low-calorie veggies like carrots and celery, you're not just adding crunch and flavor, you're also allowing yourself to eat more while consuming fewer calories. This helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Plus, the vitamins and minerals from these veggies support your overall health, making it easier for your body to function at its best. Simple preparation steps that fit your busy life. Think cooking healthy meals takes too long? Let's simplify it. Start by rinsing your brown lentils under cold water. Then boil them with chopped onion for about 11 to 13 minutes. This step is super quick and allows you to multitask while they cook. While the lentils are cooking, whip up a zesty dressing. In a bowl, combine minced garlic, a pinch of salt, olive oil, red wine vinegar, thyme and pepper. This dressing adds flavor without extra calories. Once the lentils are cooked, drain any excess water and let them cool slightly. In a large bowl, flake the canned salmon, toss in the lentils, chopped carrots and celery. Drizzle the dressing over everything and gently toss. And just like that, you have a vibrant, fat-burning salad ready to go. Serve your salad with lemon wedges for a refreshing burst of flavor. The lemon not only adds taste, but can also enhance digestion, further supporting your weight loss efforts. Now you know how to create a delicious, quick lentil salmon salad that aids in burning fat while keeping you satisfied. By incorporating high-fiber and high-protein ingredients, you're setting yourself up for success in your weight loss journey. Try this recipe at home and share your experience in the comments. What twists will you add? Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, healthy recipes that help you shed unwanted pounds. Remember, you have the power to make healthy choices that support your goals. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Embrace meals like this, quick lentil salmon salad, and watch how it transforms not just your body but your relationship with food. Until next time, keep fueling your body with goodness and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier and slimmer you. For more useful information, you can click on the videos on the screen.